Beloved brothers and sisters, I'm a Nigerian, and the situation at hand, as you can see, is becoming a system we may end up not being able to erase. This headline says, fuel subsidy, subsidy. Kwara government approved 10,000 naira monthly for palliative for the workers. Monthly palliative for the workers. What are they telling us? You cannot tell me that you are removing 5 to replace it with 10. What? I don't want to use abnormal language here, but this is what we are talking about, because so many people will not believe, people will not just understand when we are saying we are obedient. People think it's a tribalist movement. It's not tribalism. It's not about tribe. It is the right thing that every one of us is supposed to know and enjoy. Truth is very clear and very open. This is a scam. This system, this set of guys that came in, they are also a scammer, and they are known as a pet. The West are using them. I'm sure, I don't blame them. They are being used by the West, and they are doing exactly what they were told to do, because the good of that country, Nigeria, will be the downfall of so many other countries in the West.